doctest is useful as part of the documentation for a function. As mentioned earlier though, when there are many tests, it starts to make the code harder to read. Python's unit test module provides another testing framework that allows us to write the test separately from the function being tested. We'll explore unit test by translating our tests for getDivisors from doctest to unit test. On the left-hand side of the screen is the getDivisors function with doctest. And on the right-hand side is the unit test equivalent. First, we'll show you how these do essentially the same thing. We import either doctest or unit test, depending on the framework we want to use. In each doctest, we write code as if we were typing it in the Python shell, and we write the expected result on the next line. Doctest will automatically compare the two for us. In unit test, we write a separate method for each test. In that method, we write a call on the function, then we write the expected result. Unlike with doctest, we compare the two by calling method assertEqual. To assert something is to claim that it is true, and here we are asserting that the actual result should be equal to the expected result. So far, for each of doctest and unit test, we've imported the testing module and we've written the testing code. Next, we need to execute the tests. Doctest.testMod looks through all the doc strings in the current module and executes the test that it finds. It reports any differences between the actual results and the expected results. UnitTest.main looks through all the test case subclasses in the current module for methods that begin with test, lowercase t-e-s-t. It calls each of them and reports any unexpected results. When we run unit test inside idle, we are supposed to pass exit gets false as the argument to main.